Here we go now, an old-fashioned battle royal. Talk about a truly chaotic match.
Yeah, it's going to be almost impossible for us to keep track of all the action inside the ring. We might just miss a few big hits here and there. That's how chaotic these kind of matches get. From behind.
He steps foot in the ring again. Ooh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Reversal. What a counter. Averting danger with an elbow stomp. Section, sunset flip.
Into a powerbomb. That was one of those powerbombs that would shorten someone's career.
Slam. Drew McIntyre has been eliminated. And that was a precisely measured attack.
Belly-to-belly suplex.
Cena turning things around. Nice running crossbody.
Lesnar is getting the whole crowd behind him now.
Stiff kick.
Oh, man. Going right after the neck. Neckbreaker.
Big E has been eliminated. He's looking shaken.
Oh, God, that's devastating.
Slam. Wrecking the shoulder. DDT! And this match will head back to the ring. The Rock telling him what he said his whole career. Just bring it. Gets him with the counter. Punch connects. Incapacitating the shoulder. Oh, wow. Inverted power slam.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Nobody comes into a match hoping to get chucked around like that. Nice running crossbody. So effective.
Rotating vertical suplex. Nicely done.
Fighting out. Look at this. Now suplex.
German suplex with the release.
Great counter, impressive ring IQ on display there. Into the ring again. John Cena feeding off the WWE Universe as he so often.
Undertaker.
Running FTO. And he's able to fend off what must have been a grueling submission. Jumping attack on the knee.
Looking wobbly in the corner.
The Undertaker has been eliminated.
And The Rock gets warded off.
Brock Lesnar has been eliminated.
Uh-oh. This could be it.
From behind. Back suplex.
Clothesline. Good Lord. So effective. Nice running crossbody. Place to be for the challenger. Whatever's playing here can't be good.
Ooh, nasty shot to the throat.
Quick thinking from Lashley. Put her in position now. Oh, slam.
Oh, look at goodness. From the ground up.
Power slam.
The amount of force behind that is enough to knock a normal person out.
He switches it back around. Dropping a big shoulder tackle. Oh, just deadlifting their opponent and tossing them aside.
Able to parry that one.
Driven down with an elevated flatliner. Can't quite get him there. And that was an efficient display of offense with that maneuver. Counter, and now there's an opening.
The Rock has been eliminated.
And the man many consider the greatest of all time playing to the crowd.
Right in the breadbasket. Right to the jaw. You can pick up your teeth in section 112. Look at the power from Cena.
Cena with a face buster.
Lashley just got out of there. John Cena continues to be among the greatest.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your WWE Intercontinental and WWE